Hi, my name is Aaron, and I am doing a food channel with my little sister, Bernadette. Today we're cooking Chipa. Chipa is a little ball, and it's like dough, and it's like bread, and it's so good. It has like cheese, yummy cheese. It's Argentinian food. You either put baking powder and pepper into tapioca flour. Mix. Keep it separate. And now let's start with the cheese part. Eggs, butter, milk with mozzarella cheese, Parmesan, Gouda. You can use whatever cheese you want, but you need to mix a creamy cheese with a hard cheese. Now, pick milk. The butter don't need to be melt, but it has to be soft. Now, eggs. Now, mix.
Oh, careful.
Ooh. Now,
¿Vos querés mixear también? Ok.
Now that we have the dough ready, we can make it into balls and then we can cook it in the oven. And some you can freeze for a different day if you make like a lot. After cooking it at 15 minutes, this is what they should look like. Now, let's try this. I hope you like this video. Enjoy opening the food.